Standard 7 Subject Science Lesson number 17 Effects of Light. Let's recall. When sun rays passes through a glass prism, what are the colors in the band of the light seen on the other side of the prism? Sun rays after passing through the prism show bands of 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, grey, yellow, orange and red. Light is composed of several colors. The dust particle in a beam of sunlight entering the house through a small window we switch on the headlamp of a car. When we drive through a thick fog, we have seen the beams those lamps. We see tiny dust particles floating in the beam. That is why we are able to see the beam of light. We see a variety of shades of color in the early morning and evening sky. In the photographs taken from the space by a satellite, the earth appeared to be bluish. At the time of sunset, the sun is near the horizon. If the earth had no atmosphere, there would not have been scattering of sunlight, and due to which the sky would have appeared dark during the day. The blue color in the sunlight gets scattered the most on the earth, due to which the earth appears to be bluish in the photographs taken from the space by satellite. At the time of sunset, sun is near the horizon. At this time, the sunlight travels greater distance through the layer of atmosphere to reach us. During this journey, the blue color in the sunlight gets scattered the most. As there is less scattering of the red color in the sunlight, it directly reaches us. Thus, the sun appears red. Scattering of light. Let's try an activity. We required glass beaker, diode laser, that is a laser pointer, water, milk or milk powder, spoon, dropper, etc. So, we have to take clear water in a glass beaker, pass a beam of laser rays through it. Check whether the beam is seen in the water. Now, use the dropper to add a few drops of milk to the water and stir. The water will be seen to have become slightly turbid. Now, pass the laser beam into it again. A light beam will show the existence of light rays. So, a light beam is not seen in a plain water, but it is clearly seen in a slightly turbid water. The light rays hit the tiny particles of milk and get scattered. If these scattered rays enter our eyes, we perceive the light. It means we are able to see the light. Instead of using milk, if we will mix salt, sugar and detergent powder in a separate beakers of water, and if we will observe whether a laser beam is seen in them, we'll see that in a salt water, if the salt is pure without any impurities, then it will form a homogeneous mixture and laser light will be seen clearly. And if sugar is added in a separate beaker of water, everything will be same as in the case of salt, except from some minute changes like change in intensity of the beam, but it will unnoticeable with naked eyes. And detergent powder forms a colloid when mixed with water. This colloid is also uneven, so laser light will be faint and its intensity will also change while moving the laser pointer. When the sun rises, our surroundings appear illuminated, means brightened with light. The entire sky appears bright. This happens because of the dust and other tiny particles in the air. This is the scattering of sunlight by the tiny particles of the various constituents of air. Had there been no atmosphere, the sky would have appeared dark during the day and of course the sun would have been directly seen. This has been verified by observation from the rockets and satellites which go out of the Earth's atmosphere. Thank you.